Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. It is Friday. Yes, we made it. Hope everyone had a good week so far. Everybody is safe. Take a look at this. Another Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. Link is going to be down below, where you can get one of these at a low cost and see what other goodies they have to offer. And we got here, dude. Alrighty. What is this? Oh, sweet. This is coming from Shwite. I think that's how you pronounce it. It is a mattress protector. This is a queen size, so fit perfect on my bed. They got other sizes, twin, full, and queen. Shwite. 6 new innovations and a new design. Alright. So definitely check them out, YouTubers, when you guys got some free time. And this would be great for older crowds in case they sleep with the animals and stuff like that. Protect your mattress. Oh, this is nice. Definitely check them out. There it is. This looks comfortable. Oh yeah. 10-year warranty. Nice. Breathable. Oh yeah. Let's see how soft this looks. I mean, it looks really soft. Let's see, where do we go from here? Open this, open that. You got to unbox this. Oh yeah. Here's a little description. Cotton terry surface mattress. Oh yeah. Fluids repel. So in case you spill a drink, you drink wine in the bed, if you spill it, it'll be protected. Shwite. So here it is. Oh yeah, this is nice and soft. So this is queen size. And I'm going to put it on my bed in a few minutes. So I'm going to go in my room, get it set up, and I'll be back. Alrighty, YouTubers, here it is, the Shwite on my 8 Plus mattress. So check them out too if you guys want a good mattress. 8sleep.com. Links will be down below for them. That's that heated bed, smart bed, awesome stuff. But this is really comfortable, super soft. Definitely ain't got to worry about staining your mattress. And this lasts about 10 years. So definitely check them out, YouTubers. Nice threaded, really comfortable. So that's about it for today. I'll see you guys back later on. Be safe and have a good day.